In this video, we're going to learn how to solve problems involving determinant of matrix for WASIMA. So guys, we have 5 questions to practice with in this video. These are repeated questions under determinant of matrix. So let's begin with this one we have here, which is determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. It says if P equals this, find the determinant of that matrix. So let's solve this, guys. Let's write down the question. So this is the question. Okay. So we have 1, 3, 2, we have 4, 5, -1, we have -3, 2, and 0. Okay, now to find the determinant, firstly, you are going to take these values and bring them here. We have 5, -1, 2, and 0. Okay, bring them this side. Now to get the middle values, is going to be, you take this 4 and this -3, then take this -1, this 0 is going to be 4, -1, -3, this is 3, guys, and 0. Okay, then lastly you take this 4 and -3 again and take these 2 and 5. Okay, so it's going to be 4, 5, -3, and 2. So before you even start, you need to label the sign conventions, which is plus, minus, plus. So this is +1, so the +1 will times everything here. This is -3 to times everything here, and this is +2 times everything here. So let's break this down. Now it's going to be this will times this and this will times this. So 5 times 0 will give you 0, minus 2 times -1 give you -2. Okay, put them in brackets. So +1 is multiplying everything in brackets. So we have, it will now be 0 times 4 will give us 0. So we know we have -3 with times 0 times 4 give us 0. Okay, minus 3 times -1 give you, minus times minus is plus, so give you 3. Okay, so this is what we're going to have. Alright, it goes in brackets, then +2, go again, this will times this and this will times this. So we have in bracket 4 times 2 is 8, minus 3 times 5 will give you -15. Okay, so close them in brackets. So let's break this down now. To remove the bracket, it's going to give us minus times -2 will give you +2, +2 times 1 you have 2. So we have -3 here, -3 times this -3 give you +9. Then we have minus times minus give you plus. So basically we have 8 plus 15, which will give you 23. 23 times this 2 answer will give you 46. So we have +46. So when you add everything together here, we're going to have the output to be 57. Alright, so 46 plus 9 will give you 55. 55 plus 2 will give 57. So the correct option this question is option B, which is what, 57. Okay, 57 is the correct option to this question. When you add everything here, 46 plus 9 will give you 55. 55 plus 2 will give you 57. Okay, so that's it for this question, guys. Let's wipe this and solve the next question. So guys, for the next question, this is the question we're going to solve next. Okay, so for this question, this is under 2 by 2 matrix. So we are asked to find the value of x. So this question is very, very simple. Let me show you. You bring down the question, you have -x, 2, we have 4x and 1. Okay, then we have equals 3x, we have 4 minus 5. Alright, so basically what we're going to do is, as usual, this will multiply this and this will multiply it and subtract. So we're going to give 1 times -x give you -x. Okay, minus 4x times 2 will give you 8x equals, we go again, this will times this and this will times this. So it's going to be -5 times 3 will give you -15. Okay, minus 4 times 3x will give you 12x. So you're going to collect like terms. Alright, so minus x minus 8x will give you minus 9x equals minus 15 minus 12x. So at this juncture, this minus 12x will cross over the equality sign and change to plus. So you're going to have minus 9x plus 12x equals minus 15. So minus 9x plus 12x will basically give you 3x. Okay, 3x equals minus 15. So you divide both sides by 3 to make a solid formula. So x will be -5. So that will be the answer to this question. It's as simple as this. Let's wipe this and solve the next question. So guys, the next question we have is this question. Okay, these are 3 questions. This one is very cheap. Determinants of 2 by 2 matrix. So we have to find determinants of this matrix. So this is the question. We have it to be 6, 4, 5, and 7. So as usual, this will times this and this will times this. It's going to be, so 6 times 7 will give you, we have 42 minus 5 times 4 is 20. So 42 minus 20 will give you what? 22. So the correct option is option C. It's as simple as this. So let's wipe this and solve the next question. So guys, if you are new to our channel, ensure that you are subscribed to the channel now by hitting the subscribe button for more of our videos. Really appreciate this, guys. So let's go to the next question. Alright, so guys, let's solve this question. It says if this equals the final value of x. This is similar to the second question we solved. So let's just solve a similar version of it again. So this is the question 2, 3, 5, and 3x. Okay, equals 4, 3, 1, and 2x. So as usual, this will times this and this will times this. We have 2 times 3x, that's 6x. Okay, minus 5 times 3, 15 equals, this will times this and this will times this. 4 times 2x give us 8x. Okay, minus 3 times 1 is 3. So you collect like terms. This 8x will cross over equality sign change to negative 8x. This will cross over equality sign change to positive 15. It will be 6x. Okay, minus 8x equals minus 3 plus 15. So this is going to give us minus 2x equals minus 3 plus 15 give you 12. Divide both sides by minus 2. Okay, so x will be what? -6. So the correct option is what? Option A. So it's as simple as this. Let's wipe this and solve the last question. After you can call it a class. So guys, for the last question we have this. Okay, this question is also very cheap. It says if this equals 15, find the value of x. So this is a question x, 3, 2, and 7 equals 15. So as usual, this will times this and this will times this. So 7 times x will give us 7x, and we have minus 2 times 3 will give us was 6 equals what? 15. So this will cross over the equality sign, change to plus 6. So we're going to have 7x equals 15 plus 6 will give us what? 21. Divide both sides by 7. So x will be 3. So the correct option of this question is what? Option D. It's as simple as this. This basically can deal with problems involving determinants of matrix, whether 2 by 2 matrix or 3 by 3 matrix for your JAMB Maths. Hope there's something interesting from this video. Let's call the video, guys. If you are new to our channel, once more ensure that you are subscribed to this channel now by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below and I'll ensure to give you a response. Now click on the screen above and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.